Andrew and Tristan Tate first gained recognition as professional kickboxers before transitioning into the digital space, where they cultivated a massive, often polarized audience as manosphere influencers. At the height of their online growth, the brothers relocated their base of operations to Romania. They often suggested that the region's legal landscape would offer them more flexibility and less oversight than they faced in the West. But in April 2026, their international movement came to a sudden halt. While visiting Miami, both brothers were taken into custody by federal agents. The arrest was not handled by local police, but by the U.S. Marshal Service, acting on a federal mandate. This wasn't an investigation into crimes committed on American soil, nor was it a direct extension of their legal troubles in Romania. Instead, the Marshals were acting on a request from the British government. This creates a rare jurisdictional scenario. Dual U.S.-UK citizens, who had been living in Romania, are now being held in Florida for crimes alleged to have occurred in the United Kingdom. The legal weight behind this arrest comes from the United Kingdom's Crown Prosecution Service and the Bedfordshire Police, who have spent years building a file of evidence against the pair. The timeline of the UK case is extensive. The allegations do not involve their recent online activities, but instead focus on a 7-year window between July 2010 and August 2017, largely occurring before their rise to global fame. British authorities seek to prosecute the Tates on 59 total counts, including 38 new charges of rape, trafficking, and indecent images. In 2023, Romanian prosecutors also indicted them for human trafficking. Despite UK extradition efforts, Romania permitted the Tates to travel to the United States. While the brothers were able to move between borders, the investigations continued. Fleeing one jurisdiction did not resolve the allegations. It simply allowed more time for an international file of evidence to grow. When a foreign warrant is served in the U.S., the Marshal Service, specifically the Southern District of Florida, serves as the primary enforcement arm. The United States is bound to act in these cases by international extradition treaties and formal law enforcement agreements managed by the Department of Justice. The brothers will remain in custody while the legal process moves forward. Their future now rests with an extradition judge who must determine if the evidence warrants their transfer to the British legal system. In this process, the United States government is not acting as the investigator or the prosecutor. It is functioning as a treaty partner, providing the physical enforcement for a foreign legal request. Almost immediately after the Miami arrests, the brothers' legal team began a public defense. Their attorney, Joseph McBride, stated that his clients are innocent and characterized the coordinated arrests across multiple countries as a politically motivated move. McBride challenged the Department of Justice directly, claiming the U.S. government was overstepping its authority to assist the British authorities with what he called political dirty work. The British Crown Prosecution Service has taken a more procedural tone, cautioning the media against publishing material that could interfere with the integrity of the upcoming trial. With the defense vowing to fight the extradition, the legal timeline is expected to be long and technically demanding, involving multiple hearings and high-level judicial reviews. The same international borders the Tates used to move their operations have now become the framework for a coordinated effort between the UK, Romania, and the US to address the allegations against them.